So what's up my people, it's your boy speaking here once again with another update. So let me rush this in out. This is a waitlist airdrop, and as you can see, this particular waitlist is almost done. I think when I check it last, it's almost 9,200 something pieces before it will reach 10,000, and the maximum sign up that they need according to what I'm seeing here is 10,000 sign up. So without wasting much time, I'm going to just show you guys what I actually need to do to actually join this particular project before the sign up ends. So first thing you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you over to where you sign up to this particular place. So first thing you need is to enter your email address and your Twitter handle. So then connect wallet. That is where you will need, that is why you will need Kiwi browser or Mix browser. Kiwi browser is what I'm using because I have MetaMask extension in it. So what I have to do now is to type in my username on my Twitter username. So this is my Twitter username, Zubi King, since I have two Twitter handle. So I'm going to now click on connect wallet. It's going to take me over to my MetaMask. So I'm going to connect with my MetaMask. Right now I'm going to enter my password on MetaMask. So I'm going to click on next over here for me to connect my wallet, and then when I click next, it's going to take me it's going to connect the wallet and then switch network from Binance Merchant to Ethereum mainnet. So this is it now. I've connected my wallet, and now what I have to do now is to click on join waitlist, and as you can see, it's going to give me anti-bot verification and this and that. So once this thing is done, it's going to ask me to verify my email address. So I'm going to click on send one-time password. So they just send an OTP to my email, and this is the OTP. So it's still loading. I'm going to copy this particular one now and head back to the site. So as you can see, I just pasted it over here, and then I will click on verify code. It's going to load up a bit, and as you can see now, I'm now on the waitlist. So successfully I just got 30 points right now on the waitlist, which is very simple. Now the next thing for you to do is to either leave it like that or go ahead and invite. So you can get many people from Facebook, because once I'm done with this video and I post it, I'm going to share it to Facebook, some Facebook group where we easily get referrals because of the waitlist, because this is very legit and people, and nothing is going to happen to anybody. So what you have to do is to actually try and do it the way I'm doing it. See that you share it to your WhatsApp or your account, anywhere you can just, it's very simple. Once they use their email address and connect their wallet, you are actually going to get 10 points as a referral bonus, and you also get 30 points for using my referral code. So I think this is the end of this video. Remember, try your possible best to join any project that you see. Join it as long as you don't have anything to lose. Don't look down on any project, because you don't know the project that is going to make a huge amount of money for you. So this is it. I'm rushing to go somewhere, and I have to do this video before rushing out. So see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys got value. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and join my Telegram channel, because that is where I drop updates before ever coming to YouTube. And with this I say, see you guys in my next video. Bye.